Did you know that Australia once declared war on emus? Farmers in Western Australia were struggling. Flocks of emus were destroying their crops. The government sent soldiers, armed with machine guns, but the birds were too fast, too smart, and impossible to catch. After weeks of fighting in November and December of 1932, the emus won. Soldiers admitted they couldn't stop them. Humans had literally lost a war to birds. A bizarre chapter in history, where nature totally outsmarted mankind. And make sure to click that subscribe button for more insane facts.